Let's get started. We'll start with butterfly and then we'll go for all the sleeping asanas today. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, keep the legs in this position. You can either hold here, you can keep your hands here. Okay, we are going to just rotate from one side. 1, complete 1 round. 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, straighten your legs, shake your legs, bring back in this position. Okay, and you're going to do the knee drops. So basically try to sit as straight as possible. Okay, don't put too much weight behind and start. Left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center. Exhale, center, exhale, inhale. Exhale, center, exhale, inhale. Left, center, right, center. Okay, stop the practice. Stop the practice. Okay, now from here, bend the left leg and turn. Okay, so this is a cross leg position and this is the sitting position. You're going to go to the left side. So left leg is in the crossed position, right leg is bent. Turn to the left side and start. Go down, inhale. Exhaling, go down, inhaling, come up. Exhaling, go down, inhaling, come up. And watch your stomach or your pelvic area. Okay, be aware of your pelvic area. Go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, and slowly come up. Okay, relax, release both your legs. Now similarly, right leg will go in the cross leg position and the left leg will bend over. Okay, and turn to the right side. You can move your hand in the front and start. Exhaling, go down, inhaling, come up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. And 10, and up. Okay, then release the legs, shake your legs if you want, and relax. From here, turn to the left side. Okay, wherever you can keep your head, try to keep there. Observe the pelvic area, observe the back. Come back in the center. To the right side, don't go too much behind for now. Keep the head, keep breathing, observe the pelvic area. Come back in the center. To the left, keep breathing. Come back in the center. To the right, breathe. Do not stop the breath. In the center. To the left. In the center. To the right. And in the center. Okay. Sit. We'll release the back. Twist to the left side. In the center. To the right side. Come back in the center. Okay. So next be doing the asanas on the stomach, also known as pronasanas. So you will be going in the stomach position. Okay, chin on the mat, hands at the sides, palm facing downward. Okay, from here, exhale and inhaling, lift the left leg. Okay, toes pointing down, toes pointing outward. Do not tuck it. Keep breathing. Slowly take the leg down, left leg down. One more time. Inhale, left leg up. Try to push it as much as possible upward. Exhaling, take the leg down. Let's go to the right leg. Inhale, right leg up. Keep breathing. Use your hand. Do not lift the head. Do not lift the head. Try to look in the front. Release. Take the right leg down. One more time. Inhaling. Lift the right leg up as much as possible. Even if you're little down, it is okay, but try to keep it straight. Slowly take the leg down. Relax both the legs. We'll go for round 2. Inhale, take the left leg up. Keep breathing. Use the chin and your hands as your support for 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly take the left leg down. Relax. Now the right leg. Inhale, lift. Use the support of your hand, of your chin. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly take the leg down. Okay, relax. Now if you want to relax the chin, take the hands in the front and just put the forehead on your hands. Okay, relax yourself. Relax the neck. Keep breathing. Okay, from here the hands will go back behind again, palms facing downwards as support. Okay, chin on the mat. Try to look in the front. Now we'll try to lift both our legs. Okay, exhale, stick the legs to each other. Stick the feet, exhale and inhaling, lift. Okay, lift. Keep the chin down. Try to push your leg outward. Keep breathing for 3, 2, 1, and slowly take it down. Relax, take 2 breaths. Go for round 2. Exhale and inhaling, lift. Lift. Keep the chin down. No need to lift the chin. Push the leg outward. If possible, touch it. If not, keep it far. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly take the legs down. Again, take the hands in the front. You're not used to keeping the chin or using. So relax. Forehead on your hands. Relax. Breathe. Now from here, keep the forehead on the ground, hands next to your chest. We are going to do the cobra pose and twisting in the cobra. Bring the feet together, touch it to each other. Forehead on the ground, exhale and inhaling, lift yourself. Cobra pose. Okay, look in the front. From here, look to the right side. Come back in the center. Look to the left side. Come back in the center. Look to the right side. Come back in the center. Look to the left side. Come back in the center. Slowly exhaling, go down. Touch the forehead. Take the hands behind. Relax. Keep breathing. Take the hands next to the chest. Inhaling. Lift yourself up. Cobra position. Open the chest. Don't hunch. Look to the right side. In the center. Look to the left side. In the center. Look to the right side. In the center. Look to the left side. In the center. Look to the right side. In the center. Look to the left side. In the center. Slowly relax and come down. Forehead on the ground. Take the hands to the side. You can even take the hands in the front. Keep your forehead on the hands and relax a few breaths. Okay, from here, we'll do the boat position. So bring the legs together, touch the feet to each other, and you're going to spread your hands in namaskar in the front. Okay? And touch the forehead on the ground. When I say lift, you're going to lift the legs, lift the hands, lift the head, and look towards your hands. Okay? So relax, touch the forehead, hands in the front in namaskar, feet touching each other. Exhale and inhaling. Lift your head, lift your hands, lift your legs, look towards your hands if possible. If you are not comfortable in namaskar, spread the hands. Okay, spread the hands. Slowly come down, relax. Round 2. Exhale and inhaling, lift. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Try to push the leg outward, try to push the hand outward. Slowly exhaling, come down. Boat pose in the prone position. One more round. Exhale and inhaling, lift the leg, lift the hands. Try to balance on your stomach. Keep breathing. Slowly come down and relax. Okay. So take the hands near the chest. Lift yourself up. Counter position for backward bending is the child pose. So come in this position, relax. You can take your hand behind. Keep breathing. Okay, we'll go for the last asana. Again, on your stomach, chest down. Okay, Dhanurasana or bow pose. But you are not going to do the complete. Okay, so hold your legs. Whoever can hold, hold it. Whoever cannot, try to hold near the toes. Whoever can hold the ankles. Forehead on the ground. Exhale and inhaling, try to lift your head and your legs. So I'm not going full. Okay, I'm just showing half. Slowly release. Touch the forehead on the ground. Release the leg, release the hand. Okay. Round 2. Hold the ankles. Open the chest. Forehead on the ground. Keep breathing. Exhale. And inhaling, lift the head. Try to push the leg upward. Hold the leg. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Slowly go down. Touch the forehead on the ground. Release the legs, release the hand. Now you can touch the chin on the ground if you want. We'll go for another round. Hold your legs. Open the chest. Forehead on the ground. Exhale and inhaling, start lifting your legs. Lift your head, try to look up. Push your legs upward. Be on your stomach, keep breathing. For 3, 2, and 1. Slowly go down. Forehead on the ground. Take the legs down. Take the hands at the side. Backward bending. We'll release. Counter pose. Child pose. Okay. Counter pose means the pose which is used for relaxing your muscles. Keep breathing. Slowly come up in Vajrasan. And from Vajrasan, let's go for Shavasana. Okay. Relax your complete body. So spread your legs. Slowly go down. Toes pointing outward. Hands open if you want. Or you can do the Yoni Mudra. Keep the hands below the navel. Head at one side if you want. Try touching the elbow on the ground. Okay. Close your eyes. And slowly start relaxing your body. Start concentrating on your breath. As you inhale, feel the relaxation entering your body. And as you exhale, feel the stress, the pain going out of your body. As you inhale, feel the relaxation entering your body. And as you exhale, feel the stress, the pain going out of your body. Just concentrate on your breath. At every breath, your body is more and more relaxed. Release all the muscles, do not hold anything tight. Now slowly move your awareness